AgeChecker.net protects your business from selling to underage customers. Our age verification happens in the background after the customer submits their billing and shipping information. A pop-up appears and asks for the customer's date of birth. Over 90% of customers are instantly verified. In less than half a second, we cross-reference your customer's information using the largest identity networks in the world. If we can't find a match in our databases, then we'll prompt the customer to upload a photo ID. Here, your customer has a few options. They can upload a picture of their ID from any device, or they can take a picture using a webcam. Customers can also use their mobile device to submit an ID. We'll send a text message with directions and a link to complete the age verification process straight from their smartphone. In seconds, our patented technology verifies photo ID uploads. Orders are not processed until the buyer's legal age is confirmed in one of these two ways. AgeChecker's settings are designed to be flexible to accommodate each unique website. You can choose to require minimum ages that vary by state, county, or city. You can also choose to block purchasing from specific localities. You can adjust all of these settings directly from your account dashboard. Under the Install tab, you'll find self-installation guides for different e-commerce platforms, or take advantage of our free installation. You can also find our API documentation here, with examples of custom build-outs we've helped our clients bring to life. Whether you want to implement our out-of-the-box solution or work together on a custom website, we are here to assist you every step of the way. Give us a call today to learn more.